Today I will show how to buy shares of Ryerson Holding Corporation for educational purposes. Ryerson is a metals distribution and processing company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker RYI, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy RYI, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as the example platform to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with a government ID, and you will need to add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker RYI to find Ryerson Holding Corporation. Verify you select the NASDAQ listing so you locate the correct stock. Open the stock page to review the company overview and the price chart for context. Confirm the company name and ticker to make sure this is the correct Ryerson listing. Click the Buy or Invest button. Choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may queue for the next session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, you will see the RYI position appear in your portfolio. For more information, find the eToro link in the description below.